What's that brother vlog? It's his phone.
Tracks Part 2. Find a whiskey bottle. So far, so good.
No, show me the pennies.
And we got the pennies and
Yeah.
quarters.
Still got them.
Honor.
We just got scared because we thought there was a little puppy.
Wait, no, can you combine both? Can you combine the videos?
Oh no!
Jackpot.
Holy crap!
Why you do that?
Just grab one.
I want this book.
Yeah, grab that. Just grab that.
Here.
No.
Okay, I don't want
to
to.
touch that.
I don't want to do that.
Dude, you know what I wish we could do?
Hey, hold on.
I wish we had a river.
I know, that'd be fun. A liquor bottle, right? No, that's it. It looks like a liquor bottle.
Dude. Bro.
Is it raining?
No.
It looks like a rain.
Dude. Dude. Is that a train?
No, that's just cars. Are we going back?
What is that?
It's cars.
I want to walk and see where the train was.
I mean, it's not that far
That's not too
anyways.
far.
So,
Oh, okay.
Wait, whoa.
Yeah, I tried to pick it up. It's
freak.
That'd be cool to have.
Yeah, it's a mile marker thing.
Yeah, no.
Hey, let me see my phone. Most of the time I make a video, I look like crap. So go check out my Instagram, BubbaSmith22. It's all lowercase put together. Here's another thing. 2 things for the railroad. Missing a piece of wood. Smells like
we going
clear
back?
butthole back here.
Wait, do you want me? Are we going back or we're just coming walking?
We're gonna. What is it?
That's a 5-hour energy.
People actually walk back.
Dude,
Yeah.
why is it- Pretty crazy about people. You know Indians walk back down here?
No, I totally didn't know the Indians used to walk back
Shut
through
up.
here. God.